If you come straight from the entrance and if you just see around a bit, you have a temporary staff cottage or a workers cottage, and there what you see is a cow shed. I'll just try to give you a view of the cows inside the shed. There they go. So their concept is very simple. They are self-sufficient, and here if you see, these are the paddy fields where they grow their rice. And if you just see the trees, the greenery and all, it's just so soothing to the eye. This is the play area for tennis, but because of monsoon, I think outdoor games are not happening now. When we spoke to the resort people, they said they have their own vegetable farm and their rice field for farming, cows for milk, and they said we basically try to be self-sufficient except for the months of monsoon where we get our products from outside, because the area is a bit small to do a full-scale cultivation. But when there are guests, the produce within the farm is sufficient enough to take care of the guests. And here the building you see has the accommodation facilities for the guests. In the basement or at the entry level, you have the small area for dining and a games room, which I will show separately. So this is all about in the second video. Let's meet in the third video.